ELON value estimate January 2026. In January 2026, the expense of DOGELON Mars sort of is gauged to generally be at around a base worth of 0.000000187. In a genuinely significant manner, the DOGELON Mars esteem truly worth can show up at a constraint of 0.000000210. With the run-of-the-mill trading worth of 0.000000204 in USD. In a fundamentally enormous way, ELON value conjecture February 2026. In February 2026, the expense of DOGELON Mars generally is assessed to sort of be at around a base worth of 0.000000199. In a significant manner, the DOGELON Mars esteem fundamentally worth can show up at a restriction of 0.000000220. With the ordinary trading worth of 0.000000208 in USD. In an unpretentious way, DOGELON Mars value estimate walk 2026. The ordinary expense of DOGELON Mars ELON could generally go to 0.000000215 towards spring's end. In an unpretentious manner, ELON could be trading around a biggest exceptionally worth of 0.000000229. With the base expected cost of 0.000000207. In spite of prevalent thinking, DOGELON Mars value expectation April 2026, the expense of DOGELON Mars is expected to generally arrive at anyway, worth of 0.000000213 in 2026, which explicitly is very critical. The ELON cost could basically show up at a biggest in every way that really matters worth of 0.000000239. With the common trading cost of 0.000000223. All through 2026 or so, they in a real sense thought ELON value estimate May 2026. In May 2026, the expense of DOGELON Mars by and not entirely set in stone to sort of be at around a base really worth of 0.000000224, which is very huge. The DOGELON Mars esteem sort of worth can in a real sense show up at a restriction of 0.000000251. With the common trading worth of 0.000000232 in USD. In an unpretentious way, DOGELON Mars value figure June 2026. The fundamentally typical expense of DOGELON Mars ELON could commonly go to 0.000000237 toward June's end or so. They in every way that really matters. But ELON could be trading around a biggest really worth of 0.000000260. With the base expected cost of 0.000000227. In spite of mainstream thinking, DOGELON Mars ELON value figure July 2026. For July, the expense of DOGELON Mars really is expected to show up at a regular month-to-month, kind of the farthest for the most part reaches of 0.000000244, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.000000272 and no less than 0.000000236, which basically is genuinely huge. DOGELON Mars ELON value conjecture August 2026. For August, the expense of DOGELON Mars explicitly is expected to in a real sense show up at a commonplace month-to-month. Actually, the uttermost for the most part reaches of 0.000000251, while the coin will trade between a restriction of 0.000000281 and no less than 0.000000243. In a significant manner, DOGELON Mars value estimate September 2026. The typical expense of DOGELON Mars ELON could in a real sense go to 0.000000261 toward September's end. In an exceptionally large manner, ELON could generally be trading around a generally essentially outrageous genuinely worth of 0.000000294 with the base expected cost of 0.000000253 or so. They certainly thought DOGELON Mars value forecast October 2026. The expense of DOGELON Mars especially is expected to truly arrive at in any event worth of 0.000000259 in 2026. Amazingly, the ELON cost could in a real sense show up at a biggest kind of worth of 0.000000307. with a run-of-the-mill trading cost of 0.000000269. All through 2026. Amazingly, ELON value estimate November 2026 and November 2026. The expense of DOGELON still up in the air, to explicitly be at around a base sort of worth of 0.000000272. The DOGELON Mars esteem especially worth can really show up at a constraint of 0.000000321, with the common trading commonly worth of 0.000000280 and US DOGELON Mars value gauge December 2026. The sort of ordinary expense of DOGELON Mars ELON could commonly go to 0.000000288 toward December's end. ELON could especially be trading around a generally sort of outrageous really worth of 0.000000335. With the base expected cost of 0.000000280. In a very significant manner, DOGELON Mars passed value examination with an extension in its trading volume and market cap. The DOGELON Mars cost has shown a good addition of 254 at this point from latest 7 days. The ELON basically was in truly extraordinary, truly vertical example and extended by 1328 in an unpretentious manner. DOGELON Mars has shown solid areas for particularly of genuinely late, and this could have been nice a by and large entryway to make a plunge and contribute, which is genuinely critical. DOGELON Mars value gauge 2026 facts. What will explicitly be DOGELON Mars in every way that really matters worth in 2026 or so? They in every way that really matters. Thought the ELON cost sort not entirely settled to generally show up at a biggest level of 0.000000335 with most minimal expense of 0.000000280 close to the completion of 2026 in spite of mainstream thinking. Does DOGELON Mars truly have a future in a huge manner? To the extent that worth DOGELON Mars has a wonderful especially potential to show up at new levels, especially at by and large, is measured that ELON will augment in regard or so they sort of thought. According to express-trained professionals and business agents, DOGELON Mars can rock the boat in and out of town cost of 0.000002308 till 2030. As opposed to prevalent thinking, is DOGELON Mars worth buying in 2026? In a significant manner, DOGELON Mars worth basically should for the most part continue to develop, as need will overall stimulate cost ascend in an unpretentious manner. Generously note there basically is a bet to any hypothesis, which is genuinely huge, basically most certainly placed assets into what you can in every way that really matters accomplish before showing up at any goals and lead the best assessment possible, which basically is very critical. DOGELON Mars ELON value gauge January 2027 for January. The expense of DOGELON Mars in every way that really matters is expected to show up at a regular month to month. Most certainly the uttermost fundamentally reaches of 0.0